Careful.
Did you have a fifth wheel plate in it?
For me?
Did you have a fifth wheel plate in it?
Yeah, looks like it, yeah.
I thought it did because I see the...
Careful.
I see the plug up there.
Yeah, there's holes in the bed liner there. Watch the dangler.
One right here.
A hole right there I just found. But...
Oh, that's another. That's more money off.
Yep, thank you. Yep. Have a good day. Oh, there you go. Barely anything left of that truck. I think we're down to $1,000 or something for the transmission now. Probably not even if I did my calculations, but yeah. Bought the truck for $1,000, sold the engine and transmission for $2,000. Got about $200 in that engine after I parted that truck out, and I got $1,000 in the transmission. So still ahead. Still, this is free. Eh? Of course. Oh, but check this out, boys. We got some packooge. We got a little bit of packooge. Oh, this one's got the special unsealable or unbreakable seal. Oh, I did it. Oh, Dick, I think I sunk a caramel. Oh, Dick, yeah. Yeah, I did. Big fan, love the bitches. No, you're addicted to the caramels big time. Figured you could use the Want Me pens for your projects. Tell Tiff said hi, love her Instagram posts. Would like a hat. If you have any available, hit me up on Face Messenger. We'll pay for them, of course. Sean. Yeah, man, just go to onepackup.com. Actually, we just got I should grab that and show you, but we just got some sample whatever you call them, you know, with the sewing of the name, this kind here, embroider. I think that, yeah, embroider. But anyways, oh, we got some Want Me pens, Want Me, and Want Me. Huh. There you go, green, red, and blue Want Me pens. Oh, and another one, and a black one. Nice, decent. Some friggin' hand soot warmers. Nice. Oh, and caramels. Oh, they're the soft ones too. Nice. Oh, much obliged there, fine fellow. But yeah, onepackup.com. Onepackup.com. Hats and shirts and calendars. Your calendars, boys. Your calendars, you love kind. But check this out. Appreciate it, bud. Appreciate it. But so let me finish my segment here. But yeah, this boys. Oh, let's go have a gander. So this unit here is pretty awesome. The only problem is I'm just not sure if I'm smart enough to work it. That's the only thing. So there's this thing. Ooh, smanty. We have two. One a packooge, two a packooge, and three a packooge. Oh, great. Look at all the literature. Oh, look at the literature, boys. This is like a science experiment to put together, it looks like. Wow. This is complex procedures involved with this. Nelson just went home yesterday, too. A little soon, eh? Nelson would really like to play with this, I bet. Oh, no way, dude. Can you imagine we could just like cut out different things, or is it just scribe your name into different things? Because if it'll cut stuff out, that would be crazy. Yeah, like I don't know. It looks to me like they're cutting stuff out. You know what I mean? Let's cut acrylic or something. Engrave on glass and ceramic. Ooh. Rotary engraving on cylindrical objects. Oh yeah, we can make a hooch bottle for Albert and stuff. Right on. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if I'm even smart enough to, because like, you know what I mean? My upstairs portions of my skull's broken. Holy schnikowitz. Geez, I don't even, like when they messaged me, I thought they were joking. Oh, we're gonna send you science. You know what I mean? I thought they were just joking. Yeah, sure, send science. No, look at, what the f am I gonna? Yeah, I guess I'll have to read the instructions on that, because that's not like a bike where you could just put the handlebars on. It's built. There's a lot of bits and pieces in there by the looks of it. Yeah, so that's pretty cool though. I'll put the link in the prescription in accordance. And mucho obligations there, Sean, for the caramels. Okay. And the markers and heating pad things there. Appreciate it. And yeah. Holy fuck. You're alive. What happened?
What happened?
Yeah.
I don't know. Died yesterday, apparently. Roastman, that's Bill.
Have you been practicing wearing your helmet?
What's that?
Have you been practicing wearing the helmet?
Not yet, but I'm pretty sure my head still fits, so.
Well, it doesn't smell quite as bad in here anymore.
Oh, no, not anymore.
Oh, it's still
Still a little bit of a
smell.
Yeah, yeah.
Still something, but
Yeah. I'm getting there.
One thing I gotta say about all the hobos though, it's really good of them they left my bucket of copper, because
Oh,
like
yeah.
I bang a hobo out for that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no shit, right?
Right on. Holy f.
Yeah.
Holy f, dude. Yeah, that's fucking way better. That's way better.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
That's my one little. That's my shift.
Yeah, is that the only one you're allowed? You're allowed landing?
Yeah. They said I couldn't have another one.
So that's perfect. More knives.
Yeah. It's my little collection, though.
I've been taking video evidence of that just in case the cops need to align the juke marks. What the fuck? Oh, f***ing right you do, dude.
I'm liable. Fuck.
Why are you f***ing up so bad?
Oh man, I can't fucking see it. Oh man. I just thought maybe put safety glasses on before.
Oh shit, where's the harmonica?
Oh, that's at home.
Oh no.
Yes.
You should have brought that.
Yeah, I tried to play with this.
Yeah, I tried playing it with that helmet on. Oh my, that's great. Oh.
We were at, it's 15 for sure. Oh, yeah.
Okay, hold on a second. Oh, that's great. Was it a 15?
More noise?
Do you need safety glasses?
Oh, I got some. So, put me in the chair.
Oh, right on.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's great. That is wonderful. He was a little bit yesterday. I don't know what he was coming off of, but